All right, so if we read this problem, we again are asked to find the circumference of the circle, and we know that the major arc FHG is 45 inches, and we know that the angle FEG is 130 degrees. So this would be a case where we definitely need to draw a picture. So here's my picture. This is circle E, so E is the center, and we know that we have FEG is 130 degrees, which means that this arc measure is 130 degrees. When we use three letters and it says FHG, that means it's the major arc. So H is somewhere on the circle, maybe like over here. And so this is the major arc, and we know that the major arc is measuring 45 inches. We would also need to figure out what the major arc measure is in degrees. So if this is 130, this has to be in degrees 230 because there are 360 degrees all around. So if we're looking for the circumference, we're going to say the arc measure of 230 over the whole circle of 360 would be the arc length of 45 over the whole thing around, which is the circumference, and they told us that was what we're looking for, so we're going to call that x. So we just absolutely cross multiply, and I think that's 16,200. And then when we divide, we get 1,620 over 23, sorry, that's a weird 2. And that would be approximately 70.435, and that is also in inches. Hopefully that makes sense.